Yup. You already know we out here. So, do I have something really to say? No, I don't. But I feel like just doing this just because it's a good experience. Cause like, what if I had wanted to come back? You feel me? So, I'm glad I seen this, and I seen it over here. Hold on. But really, I was talking about these. Honestly, it looks like when I had, damn, a butterfly just came right past my face. But it looked just like how it be when I was in Jacksonville and I was in the forest. And I was just like, damn, that shit looks so beautiful. Honestly. But I'm gonna keep walking, and when I come back, I'm gonna come back and see if there's any more things or any more little beautiful little flowers or anything. I'm ready to see. Oh. I ain't gonna lie. Right now, I am in the tree. Bro, I'm in this tree right now. No nigga can tell me to get down this bitch, cause you gonna have to take me down this bitch, you feel me? But honestly, this is a nice view. I like it. It's a lot going on down here though. Like if I fall, that bitch dead. I think I'm grits. But like I never been a bitch. So like I walked and I keep going. Oh shit, I actually did keep walking and keep going. That's bad. I'm gonna go back down though in a little bit. But I feel like this shit is just like a nice vibe. And then honestly, I had to realize if I don't do this, who gonna do this? No other nigga was like, damn, let me just go up this bitch and start recording. Cause like, I did it cause I did it off my raw talent. And I know I'm not no bitch. That's a big thing in my life. I always knew not to be no bitch. Cause if you was scared and you don't think to do stuff, you gonna start thinking like the same as everybody else. Real talk. And I never wanted to be the same type of guy, to be the same type of guy as the rest of the other guys. I always make my own plans and always make my own self-awareness goals. I could be sweating, but this shit, I'm just sweating because it's like, dang. Hold on. I'm up here with the birds, man. I can't even see the birds. Tweet, tweet. Oh shit, you can see it. Tweet, tweet, little nigga. Oh shit. I might got me a good little picture. Hold on. Where he went? Oh shit, he went right above my head. Holy shit, man, that's crazy. That's crazy as fuck, man. But I don't know. I'm just up this bitch, man. Being me, that was so deep. This nigga's not being me. See me. Yeah, nah. It's not so. Shit kind of scary though. That But look at this tree. So weird. That bit is hard though. Like just looking at it from right here. I ain't gonna lie. Looking at this tree, it makes me never want to leave. I'm gonna be honest with you. I know I gotta keep walking to go experience more of the trees and shit, but I really don't want to leave this tree. And I did some research on it, and I found out, guess what? This motherfucking tree, the second part of the tree, is actually growing from the actual top. It grows from the top, and then the roots start going downwards. And then they plant in to make it seem like it's a multiple tree effect. But these are just the roots. Those are literally the roots where it grows from. It starts from the top, and that's crazy to think. And it goes all the way down, and then roots itself into the ground. That's like, it's doing the opposite, literally, of what the actual other tree is. But then it also provides such a beautiful like aspect when you look at it from like in this angle. Like I'm already seeing it from how I'm looking at it in person, but I'm looking at it through the phone. It looks even crazier. I think probably because I don't got my glasses on. But if I had my glasses on, that shit probably look even 10 times better. And I really don't want to leave that shit right now. I'm gonna come back one day. You gotta remember, cause I'm finna come back to live here, so I can't be mad. I'm always have a sign to come do this shit. This some shit that like nobody else gonna do, and I won't keep this tree. I'm gonna make one too. When I said I love you, bitch, I said it with love. Come on, give me a good angle. Come on, give me a good angle. Dang it. Damn. Oh shit, is it working? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh, I got it. Yes, let's go, bro. I can't even be mad no more, bro. Perfect fucking picture, bro. Stay still, little bird. Oh my God. This is exactly what I needed, bro. Holy shit. Stay still. Stay still, Lenny. Come on. Come here. Come here. Oh my God, bro. This is weird, bro. Alvin, where you going? Come back, Alvin. That's random, bro. Yo, bro, this is so random, cuz. Oh my God. Yo. Hey, that little nigga bopping to the music. Bro.
slime. I ran up a check off a rhyming. This shit was perfect timing. Long time grind, put the time in. I'ma run this shit up to my time in. Me and lil' bro, we was still run the stove. We had to stick it and go. I got my blicker for show. Well, by that like you know. I might spend a couple thousand on the trip, but I never slip. I might spend a couple thousand on some clips, but you been out of trip. Really be slime. My nigga really they slime. And we committing no crime. We never dropping no dime. My nigga really be slime. My nigga really be slime. My nigga really be slime. How about the pill? How about the pill? The bitch I'm telling you. The bitch I'm telling you. How about the shoe? How about the shoe? I still not spending you. I think I told you.
This motherfucker done scared the fuck out of me, bro. I ain't see his ass. Damn, I'm glad you staying still so I can see the whole, everything on your body. Pause. Where you go? Where you going, cuz? Where you go? There you go. Hey, bro. Come here. You already ready to run, bro. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro. Have a good day.